Hello guys, welcome to Better Devs YouTube video. This is a YouTube video regarding a project that I'm working on recently. This project will relate to how to convert images or videos to GIFs to the format that you send. That is kinda old, but it's like a repetitive or a loop of images or a recordings. Specifically, we are gonna work initially with Python, just to show you how it works in the backend, and eventually we're gonna work creating a web application. I just wanted to show you how this works. Initially, I wanted to let you know that all this code is being saved in my repository. Specifically, I will leave the link below for all my data in my repository, so you can know about the code, and if you want you can clone the repository and work on this. Initially I just wanted to show you eventually how this works, so let's proceed. So we're gonna work with in the part of the images, we're gonna work with three imports with three libraries. One is imageio version 3. We're gonna work with PIL for the imaging processing, with numpy for processing on the frames, and also on the pixels of every image. We're gonna first of all open the images from the folder sources. As you may see, here are the sources to work on this. We're gonna verify what is the size of every image, and if it's not the same, even though there is the same format, we're gonna resize every image on this list. Once done, so we're gonna work by creating an array of images, and once we finally proceed, we're gonna write or proceed by creating a GIF in the folder of results. So eventually we're gonna put the name on it, so basically GIF output image with a duration of 500 milliseconds, which is fast, but it's not the fastest one, and with a loop equals to 0, so which means that it's gonna be an infinite loop in one end. Alright, so let's save the file and let's work in this so we can create it. As you may see, it has been created already. Let me show you how this works. Basically, as you may see here, there is the gift, the format, and eventually this can work with every kind of image as long as you are using the same format and you are using this to resize the images and this to convert it to arrays. So let's work on the video part. We're gonna just work with the library imageio version 3. We're gonna let them know where the video is. So basically it's in sources, in example, and we're gonna create a list. We're gonna iterate in that list, and eventually we're gonna enumerate and create or determine how many frames we need from that. So we're gonna extract every frame that we need. Specifically, I've set 40 frames, and as you may see, a video every second of a video, most of the times is processor being processor of a 60 frames per second. Now eventually we're gonna break the conditional if we're gonna add any frame to the list, and we're gonna save the result in the same folder with one similar name, this case with a duration of 100 milliseconds. You may see that it may be faster than the previous one, and also with a loop of 0, so it can be an infinite loop. Let me show you how this can be done and processed. Eventually you see here, and this is how it works. Basically, this is already the GIF that you can share with your coworkers and everything else. And this is the final, this is one of the first parts of this project, and thank you guys for watching us today. Bye bye.